Systems Engineering, Technology, and Innovation Training. Systems Engineering, Technology and Innovation Training is a 4-day crash course certificate program providing a suite of innovative technology and information technology (IT) engineering skills to support the planning, research, analysis, design, development, integration, verification and validation, 5 and 5, implementation, operation and support activities for future, proposed, current, and legacy systems. Systems Engineering, Technology and Innovation Certificate Program provides the key skills and knowledge essential for successful complex systems engineering to meet the evolving needs of military, defense, aerospace and space industries. Topics covered: Systems Engineering Principles, Design Analysis Engineering, Systems Architecture, Software Systems Design and Development, Systems Integration, Systems Test and Evaluation, System Verification and Validation, 5 and 5, Systems Deployment and Lifecycle Engineering, Special Systems Engineering Requirements, Reliability Engineering, Security Engineering, Integrated Logistics. Who should attend? Systems Engineers, Software, Hardware Engineers, Component, Subsystems Engineer, Business Analysts, Project Managers, Technical Support and Interpreted Logistics, Risk Assessment and Auditors. Course modules: Introduction to Systems Engineering, Management of Systems Projects, System Conceptual Design, System Design and Integration Process, System Test and Evaluation Process, Technical Planning, Decision Analysis, Identify and Track Assumptions, Technical Assessment, Requirements Management, Risk Management Process, Configuration Management, CM, Technical Data Management, Interface Management, Model-Based Systems Engineering, MBSE, and SysML. Software Systems Engineering, Requirements Analysis, Security Management Process, Reliability Engineering and Implementation Support, Verification Process and Validation Process, Transition Process. Price: $4,999. Length: 4 days. Request more information. Learn more about systems engineering, technology and innovation training from Tonex. Visit Tonex website www.tonex.com.